Everybody is looking up at the stars. But have you ever wondered if something we made could reach them? Enter Voyager 1. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1 is humanity's farthest-flung emissary, racing through interstellar space. But can it escape the Milky Way? Despite traveling at a mind-boggling 17 kilometers per second, it's still nowhere near the 550 kilometers per second needed to break free from our galaxy's gravitational grip. This tiny spacecraft has already made history, crossing into interstellar space in 2012. In 40,000 years, it will glide past a distant star, AC plus 79 3888, but it will still be within our galactic home. Voyager 1 carries the golden record, a time capsule of Earth's culture, reaching out to potential extraterrestrial neighbors. While it won't leave the Milky Way, its mission continues to inspire, reminding us of the boundless curiosity that drives us to explore the cosmos. Voyager 1 isn't just a spacecraft, it's a symbol of our quest for discovery and our place in the universe.